Welcome to all on my YouTube channel. Myself Dibakar Kumar. Today I am going to discuss class 6 maths unit 10 ratio and proportion and unity method part 1. So first I will discuss what is ratio. A ratio is a method to compare two quantity of the same kind with same unit by dividing the first quantity by the second. It is the fraction that one quantity of the is of other. The symbol two dots is used for ratio between two quantities. Example A and B. A ratio B. The ratio A is to B is the fraction A by B, where it is written as A is to B. Terms of ratio. In the ratio A ratio B, we call A is the first term or antecedent and B is called second term or consequent. Example, in the ratio 3 ratio 4, the first term or antecedent is 3 and the second term or consequent is 4. Now I am going to discuss important property of ratio. A ratio is a pure number and has no unit. Second, if each term of a ratio is multiplied or divided by same number or same quantity except 0, the ratio remains the same. Let m is equal to 0, then clearly we have a by b is equal to a into m divided by b into m, and therefore a ratio b is equal to a by m ratio b by m. A ratio must always express in its lowest term in simplest form. The ratio A ratio B is said to be in simplest form if SCF of A and B is 1. Now we will take in one example. Ratio of 24 and 56. It means 24 raised by 56. If its ratio is SCF is 8, then it becomes 3 ratio 7. Now come on, second point, proportion. What is proportion? Proportion is equality of two ratio of two equal ratio is called proportion, or it is always say that two equal ratio means quantity may be different, number may be different, but their ratio should be same. Then they are called proportion. And we use a symbol 4 dots or is equal to equate the two ratio. Four numbers in proportion. If four numbers are in proportion, suppose A, B, C, D are in said to be in proportion if A ratio B is equal to C ratio B. We read it that A is to B as and B as A raised to B and C is to D. Here A, B, C, D are respectively known as first term, second term, third term and fourth term. In the given proportion, first or fourth term are called extreme terms or extremes, and second and third term are called the middle or means. In the proportion, product of extreme is equal to product of means. Their numbers yes, these are the important things or terms or rules related to ratio and proportion. Thank you. That's much.